How to ignore and unignore messages in Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can ignore and unignore messages in Messenger. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is make sure that your Messenger app is updated to its latest version. After you do that, you can simply open up your Messenger. And after you open up your Messenger, ignoring and unignoring messages is really simple. Now previously there was a feature called ignore. If you just swipe left to a DM, tap on more, or simply long press on a DM, and then this option should pop up. After that, previously there was an option to simply ignore. Now that feature has been removed. Now instead of that feature you have mute option. If you simply tap on mute, you can now mute this chat for a certain amount of time. You can mute it for 15 minutes to 24 hours, or unless if you want to mute it forever until you change it. So yeah, just select until I change it or these many hours. I'll just change it to until I change it. Now this messages will get ignored. You won't be getting any notifications from it. You won't be getting any sounds from it. This will just get ignored completely. Now if you want to unignore this, you just swipe left or long press on the DM, tap on the more button, and then unmute. Now that is how you unignore messages in Messenger. And that's basically it. And that is basically all for today's video. Now you can do this same for the groups as well. If you just swipe left on the group, tap on more and mute it. There you can even find the ignore button for groups. You can ignore the button here. As it says, it will move to the archive folder and stop notifications. So yeah, that's the basic feature. For DMs you can just mute it and even archive it if you want to. For groups you can just mute it completely and ignore it completely as well. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.